Right guys, we're here in Pacol.
Yeah.
To come and have a look at the sunflower farm.
Viral here in Facebook, here in Naga City.
Yeah. There you go. And this is one of many reasons you should come and at least visit Naga City.
Yeah, look, there's a lot of people coming.
Oh yeah.
Selfie as well, selfie.
Yeah, all day, every day.
And it seems it's not a lot of flowers now, right? Than before, selling, I mean.
No, before the pandemic there was loads of flowers. There was loads of little stalls along the road coming to here from Naga, because you have to come through San Felipe. But this year with the pandemic, there's no stalls and there's very few flowers compared to the last time we've come. But we wanted to come because they get the flowers ready for... Mel, baby, take your mask down.
Pick it.
No, but what they're picking the flowers for?
It's Valentine's. They're gonna sell it in Central.
They're gonna sell it in Centro for what, baby?
Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
You're gonna buy me flowers?
No.
Just only cake?
Cake line. Yeah. She doesn't want flowers, she's just saying that. She said, whatever you do, don't buy me flowers, just give me the money. Which I'd rather do anyway.
Chocolate.
Yeah, chocolate and cake. That makes Mel very happy.
I always waste time, I waste money.
Yeah. Now, I like plants and stuff.
50 pesos only.
That's very nice. Yeah. Are you going to get something for
yeah,
outside?
later when we come back.
Yeah, I thought you might. So, don't think the cat's for sale.
This one is nice.
Yeah. Could do with some bigger flowers, but will the kids touch them?
I said we will come back. We're gonna do video. You like the yellow or the pink one?
I like both. Why don't you get both if they're only 50 pesos? Huh? Yeah, I'll buy them for you. Do you know what? Do you know one time a day, I'm not joking, she wouldn't ask me for nothing. She wouldn't accept nothing. I'm not saying...
It's only 50 pesos, guys.
Shh, calm down. Yeah, I know it is. I know it is. I'm not moaning. I'm just trying to make a point. And now, my God, everything's, are you going to treat me? Are you going to do this? I like the old Mel.
There's sunflower as well, look. Sunflower. Magkano sunflower, kuya? 150 po. One only 50.
150 lang?
Yes. May lang pa siya? Just 150.
Just 150 only.
Japan variety.
This is nice, Mel. I like these. Look at the pot. Pots are nice. I'm not sure about this though. I think that's a bit OTT for my tastes.
In Centro as well, there's a lot of people selling. Oh, I had this to be all now. I buy.
Well, somebody took one of your plants because it seems less than what they used to be. Hey?
It's 30 pesos. I buy the 30 pesos in Centro.
Did you hear what I just asked her? And she totally different.
What?
Has somebody took one of your plants off the front window?
No.
It doesn't look so many, babe. Now you see, like I said the last time we come, I mean the flowers, all these, everywhere here was just thick and beautiful flowers. But this year, look, not so much.
People coming, just show it.
Yeah.
See guys, there's lots of
all day, every day, right until Valentine's Day.
My cousins are Joanne, they've been here as well.
Is there some kind of religious day coming up as well, Mel, that they buy flowers for?
No.
No? I thought there was.
They just went there just to take pictures, selfie. And then it's more cheaper here if you want to buy.
Well, yeah, than Central. Little sunflowers, look. How much for the sunflower?
150.
150.
150 lang.
150 lang. 150 only. I love walking around these places, just like I used to do when I used to love going around garden centres when I was in the UK. That'd be a day out for me.
What is this? Gomamela.
Is it?
It's good for if you have a boil.
Oh?
Yeah.
Well, you should have bought it for your foot.
It's not boil.
I don't know what that was, but it definitely...
There we go.
I mean, look, can you remember the sunflowers last year? They were a lot taller than this, weren't they?
Yeah. Loads. I don't know what happened now.
See all these fields, guys, I'm not exaggerating, they're just full of flowers, different flowers. I mean, I don't know what they are,
Like
but they're really pretty.
Just new plant.
Yeah. Obviously the typhoon didn't help, did it?
Yeah.
So we just called into immigration to do my annual report.
Yeah.
This time is different. I've had to put 2 thumbprints on a paper.
You have ID then?
And you what?
ID.
ID
You have
what?
ID.
Of course I have
your
ID.
Papers, yeah.
And I've got to go back for my receipt, so I'm assuming they're going to check with the what's that place? Not BRI, that's tax.
NBI.
MBI, to check that it's me, I guess. Oh, this is nowhere near how it was last year. Nowhere near. Was it last year, Mal? Was it last year we come here?
Yeah, it's I think it's
Because
All
the
Souls Days, I think.
pandemic had started then, hadn't it?
Yeah.
We didn't really come in the pandemic. Was it last year, year before? I think it was the year before. Couldn't have been last year because it was the pandemic.
I think yeah, last
And
year.
there was a really big storm, wasn't there?
Yeah. Maybe
I don't think it was.
year.
It wasn't.
Last
Yeah,
year.
yeah. Last year.
Yeah, last.
See, they're not looking so good, bless them.
Yeah. It's only there, the good looking there.
Yeah, they look healthy enough there.
It's Filipino time.
Is it a Filipino thing then, taking selfies with
Yeah. Selfie.
with all the plants? So what's down here then? Let's have a look down here. I feel so
The plants
relaxed
that's selling
today.
in Century is from here.
Yeah. Oh, that looks nice and neat over there, whatever that is.
Same like this, I think.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
I can imagine, guys, when we get somewhere to live, it's looking like we're not getting that land in Suruma.
Sunflower as well, but still small.
I mean, I don't know for sure, but I'm pretty sure. I've got a feeling we ain't getting that land. There's been a change.
It's been 6 years. I know 5 years.
5 years.
More than 5 years.
5 years. It's all been going on, and then
And still
we got the papers signed, and now there's something that needs altering on the papers. I don't know what that's about, but they can't alter anything unless the owner of the land's here, and she's not here, she's in America. The papers can't be sent to America, and it's going to take months if not years again. So I think we're pretty much shut down there.
But it's alright.
Yeah, it's alright, no big deal.
Oh, they're not there. Some of them, they harvest na.
What they're doing there on the
Something.
Mel?
What?
Look this way, baby. What they're doing there on the table?
Donation box.
Oh, it's a donation.
You want to give it?
I'm going to give you. So look at that. Look at that lovely house over there, guys. Don't know if you can see it. Obviously, it's something.
Scary.
Yeah,
Because if something happened to you and your family, like, you know what I mean, there's a few strangers, people's attack you there. Nobody's help you, nobody's can hear you because it's far. Nobody's. You don't have,
I mean, it's a very good point she's bringing up, because that's quite unsafe living in the wilds like this for a Filipino family. Now, can you imagine if a foreigner lives there?
Yeah.
And Filipinos obviously now, Filipinos, sorry.
For example, the Angelica. Right?
Yeah, like Angelica, it's way out in the province.
Please subscribe to Brit in the Philippines.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.